Hello, my name is Brian Lewis, and I'll be your instructor for your English class this summer. I wanted to create this quick screencast for you and let you welcome you to the class, but also let you know a few important details about summer. First, I think it's important to note that summer school is very compressed. So already in the quarter system, we're 12 weeks instead of 18 weeks, so that's compressed. And then in the summer, you're 6 weeks instead of 12 weeks. And so do know that, while this class is compressed, we still have the same requirements that we have to meet. And so it is an accelerated class, very much so. And so I just wanted to kind of make that point, hoping that, you're going to hit the ground running, going hard, and then really keep up with the work as you go. The trick to the class really in terms of navigation, and you'll have other orientation videos as you enter the course, but I'm just sending this along with the introduction email. The key to the course is to use the course calendar, really. So you want to be able to use that calendar to help yourself navigate through the course and to figure out how to get through the course. I wanted to kind of switch over to that calendar if possible right now, but it looks like I can't in this recording world. So I was hoping to kind of switch to my screen here and just show you. But if you were to look at the calendar, you'd see that all essays, major essays, are kind of, at least first drafts or final drafts, are due on like Saturday by midnight. I've kind of done that just in case you're working in the summer, and either way, those are going to be due dates throughout the quarter. And so the first timed essay is going to be this next Saturday, and we only have a week to prepare for that. So do the activities. The class is built so that you read, do homework and journals, which you put in your what we call the portfolio. It's really a private discussion between you and me. You just post those homework assignments there. And then you usually go and discuss things with other students just to get some conversation going between you and others. And then you write your first draft, or if it's a timed essay, your final draft.